Hello everyone, I'm Chachu Einstein. Let's learn something new with Chachu Einstein. Black hole is a place in a space where gravity pulls so much that even light cannot get out. The gravity is strong because matter has squeezed into a tiny space. This can happen when a star is dying. Because no light can get out, people can't see black holes. They are invisible. Space telescopes with special tools can help find black holes. The special tools can see how stars that are very close to black holes act differently than other stars. Now the question is, how big are black holes? Black holes can be big or small. Scientists think the smallest black holes are small as just one atom. These black holes are very tiny but have the mass of the large mountain. Mass is a amount of matter or stuff is an object. Another kind of black hole is called stellar. Its mass can be up to 20 times more than the mass of the sun. There may be many stellar mass black holes in Earth galaxies. Earth galaxy is called Milky Way galaxy. The largest black holes are called supermassive black holes. These black holes have masses that are more than the 1 million suns together. Scientists have found proof that every large galaxy contains a supermassive black hole at its center. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is called Sagittarius A. It has mass equal to about 4 million suns and would fit inside a very large ball that could hold a few million Earths.